Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to keep a memo in line. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to keep a memo. Well, at the top right, you can see a bookmark button like this. Simply click on it. And guys, from here, you can keep the memo. Else, if you do not find this, simply go to your profile right now. At the top right on the home section, you will see your profile picture. Click on it. And that is it, guys. At the bottom right next to decorate, you can see the same button called as keep memo. Click on it right now, and as such, enter whatever you wish. And guys, that is it. That is how we keep a memo in line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.